All right, guys, it is a black circle, has a little electrical cord, but wait, there's more.
Oh, boy.
It has another part, and that plugs into right here. So I say to you, what is it?
I know what it is.
You do?
No, you don't.
This right here is actually a solar charger for this right here.
Oh.
All right, so this you unplug, and you plug it into your phone. Now, my phone has everything. I can get my email, I can get my text, I can make phone calls, I can listen to satellite radio, but I can't get my local TV station, UHF, VHF.
Sure. Yeah.
Unbelievable, just can't get it. With this,
What's
I
on
can-
UHF? What's
Yeah.
UHF?
All the good stuff.
What's UHF?
UHF, VHF, whatever, local, I got it.
Right.
VHF? Is
Yeah.
that too?
Yeah, I get it all.
So
You
you
get
can
it
watch
all.
our show?
Uh-huh. Okay, guess what?
What?
No. I don't know what you're talking about, but I do know you're wrong. You are close, however, because you do plug it into your phone.
Yeah, see?
You know, the phone, my phone's got everything, including those HF things that you were talking about, but it doesn't have is good sound, right? These things are all like treble, you know?
Yeah,
But
tinny.
this is a portable subwoofer for
Oh,
your
a boom,
phone.
yeah.
So now when you're playing, you got a little bit boom, you got a little beat, or a boom, 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 boom. That's what you need.
You don't have good sound.
You got that?
You got that?
I
You
don't-
got
you got
that?
that?
You got that? You got that?
Hang on.
All right, let me plug you in.
Hang on, it's my agent
Stand
calling.
back.
This is actually to check the health of a tree.
What?
Oh.
Right, you take this, you walk up the tree, and you go, bark. You just listen. It allows you to listen. The xylem and the phloem going up and down the tree, it tells you how
Xylem and
healthy the
phloem.
tree is.
need a
That's
few
why
weeks
they
off.
call me the tree whisperer.
And actually, they call you the stupidum, the goofidum.
That could have been the 3 worst guesses we've ever had, I think. All right. This is a scale for a propane tank. Now, you could install a gauge like this right down in the tank, and it tells you the level. But look at how far you'd have to lean down. Look at that, Tom. Look
yeah.
at it.
Don't do
You know,
that.
that's
Sarah.
just
You
not
won't be able to get
acceptable.
up.
Look at this. The scale goes underneath the tank right here. It senses the weight in the tank. It comes up to a sending unit, and this comes out to a smartphone.
Sending unit like a technical term?
Yeah, this is a highly technical term. So now, there's nothing in this tank right here, but at my house, look at this. 3/4 full. We could grill tonight, boys. You want to come over?
Yeah.
Steaks and Richards.
Steaks
No,
sounds good
fish.
to me.
Fish.